right, so we are going to get into inferencing. This is where you're going to use your background knowledge, also known as schema, and the text clues to make an educated guess about what the author is trying to tell you. So we can ask and answer questions. Good readers monitor their comprehension by asking and answering questions. There are two types of questions. The first is right there questions. These answers are found directly in the text. So these are the ones that are uh, used to find text evidence, or the ones that you can find. You can use text evidence to find the answer because it's right there, black and white on paper. And then we have inferential questions. This is where you have to use your background knowledge, again, also called schema, and your text clues. You need to use details in the text plus your brain to infer the answer. So on the next slide, you are going to watch this video. It is going to teach you a little bit about what an inference is and help you tell the difference between an inference and something that is not an inference.